everyone. Welcome to Food in a Flash. My name is Coach Mariah, if you don't know me. We are going to be talking about papayas today. So we'll go ahead and get started. So papayas are an orange-yellow flesh-colored fruit. They are mildly sweet and they contain seeds that are edible. The external color of a papaya is a greenish yellow color. They can be found in grocery stores all year round, and the peak season is April through June. So you should eat papayas because they are very low in calories. So one serving actually has only 62 calories, and they have no cholesterol, low fat, and very low sodium. They're very high in fiber. One serving actually contains 2.5 grams of fiber, so it's great for digestion. And they help boost the immune system and lower the risk of certain cancers. So as far as nutrition information goes, papayas are packed with vitamin C and other nutrients that help boost the immune system to fight off germs and infections. They are abundant in antioxidants, which help in protecting the body's cells from free radicals that cause damage, such as cancer. They help to reduce muscle inflammation, muscle fatigue, and muscle soreness. And antioxidants also help to prevent skin damage, such as premature aging or wrinkles, and they promote healthy skin. So, like I had said previously, papayas are a great source of fiber, which helps improve digestion and prevent constipation. And they also contain an enzyme called papain, which helps to thoroughly break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats so that they can be better absorbed in the gut. So you should avoid eating papayas if you have irritable bowel syndrome or have other digestive issues. Because of the high fiber content, it may cause some upset stomach or pain. If you're pregnant, you'll want to double check with doctor if it's safe to consume papayas. And then also, papayas should only be consumed when fully ripe to prevent any issues. So when you are selecting papayas at a store, it's really important to pay attention to the color. You want to make sure that you're not picking ones that are too green. You want to look for ones that are more of a green-yellow color. The greener it is, the more unripe it is. So we want to aim towards that yellow to green skin color, and we also don't want it to be too firm. When you push on the outer skin, it should have a little bit of a give, but not be too squishy. And then papayas can be stored at room temperature until they are ripe, and they can last that way for 2 to 3 days once they're ripe. Once papayas are when they're uncut and refrigerated, they can last 5 to 7 days in the fridge. When papayas are already cut and put in a container, they can last anywhere from 3 to 4 days when refrigerated. All right, so now we'll go ahead and talk about how to prepare papaya. So as you can see, I did post a picture of what a papaya looks like in the chat, just so that if you don't know, you can take a look. When you cut it down the middle, there's a bunch of seeds in there. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is wash the exterior of the fruit, and then you'll lay it on a flat surface and cut it lengthwise. And you'll take a spoon and you'll scoop all of the seeds out. If you plan to use the seeds, go ahead and save them. If not, you can toss them. Once you get all of the seeds out, you can do one of two things. You can either take a spoon and scoop out the flesh of the fruit. We don't want to eat the very outer layer, the peel. We want to prevent eating the peel. So you can either scoop out the flesh, or you can take a vegetable peeler, potato peeler and peel off the actual skin on the outside of the two halves. And then you can either dice it, slice it, cube it, however you want to do that. All right, so papayas are very versatile. You can either eat them raw, you can puree them for sweet and savory sauces. They can be used as meat tenderizers, and they could be added to salads. They could be added to smoothies, as well as the seeds. Those can also be added to smoothies. You could grill them. You could make papaya salsa. And then if you take the seeds, you can eat the seeds raw. You would want to take them out, rinse them, and dry them before doing so. And they do have a peppery flavor. So you can actually take the seeds and grind them down and use them to season other foods as a spice. Or you can add it to salads, soups, sauces, or dressings. So as you can see also in the chat, I did go ahead and post the recipe that I had found. Now the only thing I'll point out with this recipe is I know not everybody likes quinoa. It can be kind of a texture thing. So I did put on there, feel free to substitute the quinoa for rice of your choice if you prefer that. But it's just kind of a nice lighter salad that should help keep you full, and something you could try in the summer or during the winter. All right, well, thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.